You are welcome to Heroic Universal Concept International. This is Heroic Online Computer Institute. In this video, I'm going to check the website of my students. Okay, he finished just the design of the website of the front end web development. So I'm going to look at it to single out some corrections. Okay, this is a great student, as a matter of fact, and he did well. All right, let's go there. Khalifa is the name of the student. I believe I got the name correct. Yes, Khalifa, you started this training and you were able to grow quickly to get to this point where you were able to create a front-end project, and you did well. To my utmost surprise, you did quite well, and I'm proud of you. I'm seriously proud of you. Okay, first thing first, maybe this is your business color, right? This is your business color, but just know one thing I want to find out, point out here, is that this blue is shouting. This blue is shouting. Okay, so you have to be mindful of when to use it and how to use it. There are other thicker blue that you would have used. However, please, this front-end web development, I would have loved you to use all the color that I used. Okay, but this one you used is not bad anyway. Okay, but if this is your business color, maybe if it is the kind of color you want to use as your brand color, later you're going to create another project after making necessary corrections in this website. You are going to create another business website, which I'm going to talk about later. Okay, all right, so I think you did quite well. You tried to a very good extent, okay, to get this the way it is right now. I think it's not bad. You did quite well. You were able to replicate my website to a very great extent. Even the slider, you actually got it right. This is good. This one, you also got it quite right. It shows that you followed my lectures exactly the way I did it. You tried your best to replicate it, and I'm proud of you. Okay, all right, so about us, you see you did quite well too. Then product and service, you did well too. Maybe there's an issue here. You need to look at this. You see, these are smaller. Check it in your own system. Find out what happened. This is supposed to have this size like this. Let me show you here. It's supposed to be more or less like this one. Do you understand me? So, and if you watch, you see that they are unequaled. They are unequal, and the sizes are unequaled. So you have to work on the size. You have to make it to be equal size. Okay, maybe this, what I think you have to do is, you might consider just go through my video tutorial again, check what I did there, exactly what I did there, so that you do that. But let me give you an idea. Check the width you give to this. If you give it flex basis, check it. If you can, first of all, I think this is where you're going to start. If you look at this place, you see that this sidebar, the sidebar here is not like this one. Do you see this one? This one has where it ends, the sidebar. Okay, then this product within the sidebar. We watch the sidebar for this one. Do you see it? It doesn't end. You didn't see where no demarcation here. Check your HTML code. Okay, check it very well to find out what happened and rectify it. Okay, here these are unequal. I've told you that. If you add flex basis to this, it might make it to be equal. Or maybe you can also put width and height to it. We just check exactly what I did and do it. Okay, But don't actually get so worried. Even if you didn't get this one quite right, don't get so worried, because you've really done a good job, and I think you have a potential to do greater things. Okay. All right. That's it. Just make necessary corrections as much as you can. If you are not able to do some of the things, I suppose maybe some of the corrections I made here, if you're not able to perfect them, don't worry. You'll have to start another. I think you got the responsiveness right. Beautiful. The responsiveness is great. Good. Okay, now I think this is pretty good. Shows that you are moving quite fast. All right. So another thing I want to say, I think your job is good. Seriously, it's amazing. Must tell you. Okay. So another thing I want to talk about here is you are going to start another project. I believe that while you are joining my institute, you have a project in mind. Maybe you have a website that you want to create for yourself. You've once told me that you want to create an e-commerce website, right? All right. But right now, if you're going to create a website that looks like an e-commerce, it will not have some functionalities of an e-commerce. You understand me? But what I just want you to do here is just create the front end part of any website you want. Any website you have idea, maybe you admire a certain website, or you have a vision of having such websites. Try to use the knowledge you've gotten so far to create a front end part of that website. Okay, see if you can replicate that website. Create a website that looks like that website you love. Or maybe if you have an idea of a website in your mind, try to replicate it with the skill you've acquired so far. After doing that, then you send it to me, just like you sent this one to me. Okay, send that particular one to me, so that I will go through, make necessary corrections. Once I'm done with the corrections, that particular website is what you are going to use for your front end web development competition. That front end web development competition is very, very important. Okay, so you must take your time, create that website. Okay, congratulations, you are doing well. Thank you so much. So make few corrections here in this particular website, then concentrate more on the new website you are going to create. Okay, start from the scratch and create an amazing website for me. Okay, good job.